kaning mga pawikan manggod, musasa ni sila sa baybay, mangitlog na sila, and pag once magbuslot na sila og kanang nest, ang mag-incubate manggod sa ilang nest dili ang pawikan, but ang temperatura sa ground. Pagtabo na nila, ang problema nato karon ang mga basura na naa sa kilid. Maapil nila og butang dito sa ilalim. Wa pala gining gawas ni mga hatchling. When we open the nest, puno di ay plastic na basta. Nangahatch siya, pero dili kagawas ang mga hatchling sa pawikan. Eventually, kung walay magtabang, di na to limpyuhan, kana mga basura na maato dito sa ilang mga nest, mga matay gina sila, kini na sila kagawas. Pag mabasa na siya, 100% unhatch na mo, kaya. So, mao nang among ginahimo diri ang nganong naani, ginahimo namo para matabangan.
Open arms, like open eyes when morning breaks. Silhouettes dance around my room. I think it light the spark. When daylight comes, I feel it burning in my heart. Wide awake and dreaming when the sun is up, finding ways to fly before my time is up into the sky. Today is no exception, we are going high. When the morning comes, I feel alive in the light. Here we go. We were made for this moment, made for this moment. Oh, we were made for this moment, made for this moment. Follow me into the night, open hearts and diamond eyes. Every breath, feel the fire. This is where we come alive. Oh, we were made for this moment.
Unang-una, daghang salamat na sa NCCC team, MOLMA na team for conducting a coastal cleanup activity and as well as mangrove planting activity at the Boytis Community Park. We really appreciate your help. We know that we can not do this alone. We've been telling that if you want to help sa conservation effort, dapat tanang tamang kinabangay. Conservation is effort, is not an effort of one but an effort of all. We know na NCC is very kanang duol po silang kasing-kasing to help ang atong environment, no? And also ma'am, congratulations sa atong NCCC. We are excited na makasulumi puhon sa inyong bagong mall. And we know it's coming December ata na siya, no? Ang inyong opening. So congratulations, it's a good milestone sa tanan, hindi lang siguro diri sa team ninyo but for sure sa entire Davao City. It's a milestone, it's a new mall na pwedeng adtuan sa itong mga locals and even visitors from other places sa Pilipinas.
To NCCC MOLMA, congratulations for this new milestone. For the activity that you did, it's very important for us. We cannot do this alone, and your help of cleaning up the coastal area and doing mangrove planting to the Boytis Community Park is really helpful, and it's really good. We're able to showcase sa atong mga community pod na it's really important to really segregate well, butang atong mga basura sa tama nga basurahan, and cleaning up kung asa man pwede maglimpyo. And for those people sa community, your help is needed, dili lang sa kaninga area sa Boytis Community Park but tinaw na to ang ubang areas pa nga asa ta pwede maka-help. And to the employees na nagtabang sa atua, thank you so much, and your support with the conservation efforts that we're doing is really appreciated and helpful sa mo ang conservation efforts na ginagawa. Thank you. Have a great day.